everyone, it's Gillian here at Gillian's Art Flow. Welcome back if you're a returning visitor. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for popping by. I've got a 12 by 24 canvas. It is an old canvas that I've recovered, and it's Cast Art titanium white mixed with a little bit of that Winsor & Newton pearl medium that I'm not totally enamoured by it, but I bought it, so I will use it. So what we're doing today, I don't know. Don't ask me what I'm doing because I never know. There's the fun in it, isn't it? Right. I am going to be using, I love this stuff actually, Dayler and Rowney Graduate Acrylic in Indigo. Brilliant colour. I'm also going to be using some of this Cosmic Shimmer. It's a metallic luster paint, and this is Peacock Feathers. And also I have some of this really expensive, in fact there's none left in here now, golden iridescent silver, and it's a tiny bottle. There's 30ml in there, that's all, just a little bottle. So I've done of that, and Cast Art black. So what I want to do is just put my paints away. I want to do a minimal tilt with a bit of negative space, so I'm not sure how much we'll have to see.
Gillian here, just wanted to pop in. I want to do something a little bit different with this video. I would like you to critique the painting. Don't critique the video. I know my video editing skills aren't great, but I want you to tell me what you would have done differently, if you would have used different colours, if you would have used different swiping tool, if you would have stopped at a point, if you wouldn't have added the swipe at the end. Let me know. Give me a really good critique on it. Thank you.